Welcome to exercise 5.2, Configuring Quotas, as part of the Microsoft Official Academic Course, Administering Windows Server 2012 R2, in preparation for exam 70-411. So we're going to be looking at configuring quotas, and we're going to be using the File Server Resource Manager Quotas tool. The mindset behind this is when you configure quotas for NTFS, you configure quotas based on user files stored on a volume. The FSRM specifies the total space for a volume or folder. This exercise is expected to take approximately 10 minutes. So, with that said, let's get started. So we're going to go right back into Server 1. And we're going to create a new folder, so let's open up our File Explorer. I'm going to minimize this for now. Go into our C drive, and we can right click anywhere and click on New and Folder, and we're going to call this Share 4. And then Enter. And we want to right click, Properties, Sharing, Advanced, share this folder, permissions, allow full control, and then OK, OK, and close. Now in the Server Manager, I'm going to close this, go back into my Server Manager, go into Tools, and click on we're going to click on File Server Resource Manager. And then we're going to expand the quota management, which is right here. And then click Quota Templates. Then we're going to right click Quota Templates and create a quota template. In the template name box, we're going to call this Quota Template 1. In the space limit section, the limit text box, we're going to type in 10. And then specify the unit should be megabyte, and it is. And then select soft quota. And that takes us to our first question. What is the difference between a hard and a soft quota? The answer is a hard quota prevents exceeding the declared limit. A soft quota is used only for warnings but does not actually limit how much data can be stored. Alright, so now we're going to add a notification. We're going to click on the Add button. And then we're going to click on the event log. And select Send Warning to Event Log checkbox. Then we're going to click on OK. And OK. And we're going to click on the quota template node. It already is. And if you're following along in your lab manual, this is where you would take your next print screen. Alright, under the quota management node, we're going to click on, we already have quota template node selected. We're going to right click on the template. No, here we are. We're going to right click on the quota template 1 that we've just created and create quota from template. And then here we're going to type in C:/shared4 share4. Just make sure I did it right. Yeah, there's no D. Okay, so I have share4, and then I'll go ahead and click on create. And I'll open up the file manager and navigate to the domain controller software folder. And then we're going to copy some files. We're going to copy the ADMX migrator, the NM34, that one, System Center Monitoring Pack, and then the Windows 8.1, the update here. So I'm using Control and left click. So we're going to do Control C, and I'll go back to this PC, C drive, share4, and Control V. Okay, so now we want to look for the event viewer, so I'm going to close out of this. Minimize this, tools, and event viewer. And I want to click on the application logs. Okay, so to find that, we've expanded the Windows logs, clicked on application, and we're going to scroll through and find that warning, and it's right here. And it gives an event code of 12325. Okay, so again, we're clicked on application, we've scrolled down to find the warning. Here's the warning. It's an event ID of 12325. If you're following along in your lab manual, this is where you would take your print screen. So the event ID that's used for quota to be exceeded, let's open that up. The event ID is 12325. So now we're going to go ahead and close the event viewer. I'm going to minimize this. This is the end of the exercise and the end of this video. The next exercise is going to be managing files with file screening.